Welcome to Allergy Friendly Cooking, where food, family, and all things allergy related is here. Food is an essential part of life, and yet some of us have allergies to foods, ingredients, and additives. Grab my personal cookbook. Allergy Friendly Cooking Cookbook is available on Amazon.com. Nutritional app to know what's in your food, and Western Roots for inspiration, recipes, and affiliates for discounts and deals. Don't miss out. Subscribe and check out all the resources waiting for you below in the description. God bless, stay safe, and love y'all. Hi everyone, welcome back to Allergy Friendly Cooking. So today I'm making a quick meal for lunch. Sauteing some, it's called California mix. It's got your carrots and your broccoli and your cauliflower. And I added some black-eyed peas to it. I love black-eyed peas. And then I had some canned chicken left over. And so we're going to add that. And I need a little bit of oil or something in here. We'll get some olive oil here in a minute. Alright. Put some olive oil in there. Because it has some coconut oil left in there, and the vegetables soaked it all up. Alright, so we're going to let this just simmer a little bit, get that chicken nice and warm. We're going to add some salt. Of course, we're going to add some black pepper. Steak as usual, you know, the names that people like to use, and garlic. So, and I love garlic, so I always add extra. And you can put this over quinoa, rice, if you have some noodles. Orzo is another good one that you can use. If you have some noodles that are made with rice, the rice noodles, you don't have to actually use regular noodles. Protein noodles, noodles made with chickpeas. And you can also add other kind of, you know, if you had a can of beans or something if you wanted to other use, it would be good. Alright. That's all mixed together. And I like using my turmeric as this, you know, I use my turmeric in my eggs. That helps get turmeric into my body. So we're going to take a taste test here. Let's see here. We got some broccoli and a carrot and the chicken. It's tender in there. That's really good. There you go. A nice quick meal. Y'all have a wonderful and blessed day. If you're in the storms, y'all stay safe. So God bless, stay safe. We love you. And we'll see you next time on Allergy Friendly Cooking.